Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tania Estelle. So I am coming with you today with a new video. Yeah, and can't wait. You already know what is going down in this bag. So this is my December 2017, and this is going to be uploaded late, but I wasn't going to upload this, but so this is going to be paired with the January bag. The card for the month of December. Hey, I know who she is. Sydney Black is Snow Globe. So let's get into this. So if you want to see what I got in my Ipsy December 2017 bag, please stay tuned. See you in the next segment. The very first thing I got is a bamboo charcoal facial sheet mask. I am definitely excited about this. Look at this. It's by Phil. Or yeah, this is Phil.com, and they're made in Korea. For Phil will be definitely trying this boy out. So you get this. I got 2 of these. So yeah, so you get this. This is my first highlight project of this month, and this is by no other than Ofra. Woo woo! I mean, look at that. Ofra. That is a pretty color. So I'm going to take a picture so you can see a live demonstration of me. Yeah, it will do. I'm like, yeah, this is good. So this is my look of mixing the Oprah, because it's really bright, but I have to get used to color. And like you see right here, my bag was Lisa Frank. Yes, like who I remember growing up on Lisa Frank, especially her art supplies and her makeup. I mean, this is the first time I've seen makeup, but her I think it was the dolls and all the stationery craft stuff. Lisa Frank, this Stargazing Shimmer eyeshadow is awesome. But this is the cap. And this is by Trey Steak. And last but not least, I have heard of this brand, and I heard a lot of good reviews of this, and I'm like, oh, I did my first one. As you can see, it is a Luxie, Luxie precision shader. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And it's a full size. Look at that. I'm like, oh yeah. This was awesome. It was worth it. December, they did an awesome job. And I will have the softest bristles ever. It's the products. I have not used any other products that are in this bag yet, because I wanted to show you all first before I started using them. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, you know what to do. The card of January 2018 looks like that. I will conquer, and this is what it all says right there. All right, bam, a coffee scrub. This coffee scrub is, I thought it was actually coffee flavor, and it's coconut flavor, so it's not gonna smell like coffee, so hey, that's good. I can't wait to use it. The packaging, it's in a little box here, and look at that. That's nice. And it's loose pigment eyeshadow, and it's like a purple, and it feels so type of holographic. Hey, another charcoal mask. Yes, I can't wait to use this. I am like super excited about it and what it looks like. It's very nice, a full size. Whether it looks like a eyeliner, looks like it. It's swatched. Yeah, I did pretty thick strokes. I wasn't noticing I was using it. Pretty thick handed, but actually it's pretty good. And it's in black. So my ex, and this is their nude lingerie lip pout. And here we go. And that is the Color Beauty mark. Yep. So those are all January edition bag from Ipsy. Yay! Here we go. So I really do like overall, I like the stuff that was in here for the January edition. I love it. It's nice. I can't wait to try it. Will I renew for next month? We'll see. Probably so. If I do, you'll see me upload video. And if I don't, then thank you for tuning in once again to my channel. And if you like what you see, you know what to do. Yeah, it's all totally up to you. I don't want to try to like, you need to subscribe, you need to subscribe, you need to subscribe. Not me. Don't. So, but if you like what you see, you just know what to do. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can address it down below. And God bless. Alright. Peace. Beat in the face, but I do believe in enhancing the beauty that God has, you know, already made us, because we're created